Today we're going to look at division. Division is another way of saying I'm going to cut things up into equal pieces. So let's look at number one. We have candles, and it says how many groups of eight? So let's see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's another group. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have three groups of 8. How many groups of 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 groups of 2. How many groups of 6? Let's see. So I'm looking at it, and that's how I'm able to make the groups. I'm eyeballing it. That's what it's called when you look at something and you can do it in your mind. So that's 2 groups of 6, 3 groups of 6, 4 groups of 6. So I have 4 groups of 6. How many groups of 5? Let's see. And if I count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have another group of 5. So I have 2 groups of 5. How many groups of 3? 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 groups of 3. How many groups of 7? Let's see. So that's 3. Then I need 1. That's 7. So I need, let's get another color. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3. Then I need 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. And then the last group of 7 is here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 7. All right. So this is how we divide. So if I wanted to now do division, when we do division, we say a number divided by another number. Okay. So all these numbers, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. So we divided these 24 candles by 8, and we got 3 groups. So 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Let's look here. We have 9 groups of 2. So if I count all of these up, okay? Or if I do 2 times 9, because remember, multiplication is a fast way of doing addition. I have 18 butterflies. So 18 divided by 2, because we made 2, we cut the 18 by 2, and we got 9 groups. So 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. How many groups of 6? So 6 times 4 groups of 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 24, or 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. How many groups of 5 this was? What was? We had 2 groups of 5. So total 5 plus 5 is 10, or 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 divided by the 5 groups, or groups of 5, we had 2 groups of 5. Okay? And then how many groups of 3? So we had a total of 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, or 3 times 3 is 9. And then we divided it by groups of 3. Divided by 3, and we had 3 groups. Okay, let's go on to something a little bit different. So we have this grouping model, okay? It says 20 divided by 4. This is the division sign, okay? This says we have 20 and we are going to get groups of 4. So let's make groups of 4. So that's one group of 4, second group of 4, third group of 4, fourth group of 4, 5, the fifth group of 4. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. And I could do the same thing here. And if you look here, the groups are made in fours. Okay? So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay? Let's look at this one. We're going to do the same thing. So 20 divided by, so we go up to 20 right here. So let's make groups of 4. So we don't count to 0. 1, 2, 3. I'm eyeballing it again. 4, 5. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. Let's do one more. So we have 14 green pumpkins, and we're going to divide it by 2. So we have one group, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2 is 7. Now we can make groups of 2 here again. So we have 14 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then we have the number line. We're going to do the same thing. We don't count the 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. So that's our lesson for today. And good luck in your division journey.